Today, my topic is health because health is one of the most important needs of every human being. In cities, people can easily find hospitals, doctors, and medicine. But in rural areas, the condition of health is very poor. In many villages, there are no proper hospital or clinics. People have to travel long distance to reach a doctor. Sometimes patients lose their lives because they do not get treatment on time. This is a very sad situation, and another big problem is lack of awareness. Many villagers do not know about basic health and hygienic. They drink dirty water, eat uncovered food, and do not wash hands properly. This is leads to dangerous diseases like diarrhea, malaria, and infection. If we talk about women health, the situation is even worse. In many rural areas, there are no lady doctors. Pregnant women often do not get proper care, and sometimes they suffer from serious problem during childbirth. The government should take strong steps. More hospital and health center must be built in villages. Doctors should be encouraged to survey in rural areas. Clean drinking water and vaccination program must reach every village. At the same time, people of villages should also play their role. They should keep their houses and streets clean, boil water before drinking, and take children for vaccination. If people and government work together, then the health of rural areas can improve. Good health is the right of every citizen, whether he lives in a big a city or a small villages. Healthy villages mean a healthy country.